Hey lovelies, I hope you're all well and safe. Today's tutorial is all about making your knotless boss braids with coily ends. If this resonates with you, please stay tuned. You will need your chalk to outline your wig cap, your scissors, your tiny and big crochet needle, your kenakalon braiding hair, both stretched and normal one. You need to cut the stretch one into 5 parts for the back. If you want my length, exactly what I did to my own cap, 5 parts at the back, then 4 for the middle and the front end. Go ahead to insert your needle to the net, put some hair through the net, then go ahead to braid with your stretched kenakalon hair on the crocheted hair. Section the hair into 3 parts. Make sure that the crocheted hair is in the middle, then braid the hair. Braid till you're done with the back part. Draw your vertical and horizontal line to form a square shape. Then ventilate hair around those bosses. Leave like 2 lines in between the hair to give an illusion of section hair. I'm sorry that I didn't show you guys when I drew my own line on the Swiss. Ventilate the hair around the bosses, then ventilate the middle parts, the in between the bosses to fill it in. You can see what I'm doing. To learn how to ventilate, I'll drop a video, I'll drop the link below. Braid the ventilated hair, braid like 2 times before adding your kenakalon braiding hair. Add the hair between your index and your thumb. Braid the down parts before bringing back the up one. Add again. It's as though the hair is divided into 2 sections, the upper one and the lower end. You braid the lower end, then you bring back the upper one. As you braid, you add. I added mine like 4 times, some I added 3 times. If the hair is thick enough, it will be 3 times. If it's not thick enough, it will be 4 times. If you want yours to be thicker than mine, you can add as more as you like and as you desire. This is the real time of what I did. I didn't speed it up for you to see. Add your stretched kenakalon braiding hair between your thumb and your index finger. Braid the ventilated hair with the one you left behind, then bring it back, braid again. You can see what I'm doing. Add again. You braid it down. You know, it's as if the hair is like 2 ends. You braid the down parts. You braid it with the ventilated hair. You bring back the one you left behind. You braid. You add again. I braided mine like 4 times, some 3 times. If I see that the size is so thick, I reduce it to 3 times. If I see it's not enough, I add it up to 4 times. If you want your own to be very heavy, that means you add like 5 times to get that thickness. Keep braiding. You braid it back. You braid again. Braid until you're through with all the ventilated hair. The ends, you need your coily wand. Coil the hair around the wand. Then go ahead and secure it by tying it like a knot, as if you're tying a knot. Secure it like you're tying a knot. Do that until you're through. To create your baby hair, you will need to use a single split knot system. That's the best ventilation for baby hairs. I'll drop the link below for you to watch how to make your own closure or how to ventilate your own hair. This is a single split knot system. That's what I'm using to create my baby hairs. Pour your hot water evenly. Be careful with it. Allow the hair to dry, then remove the coily ones carefully. Be very careful in order to avoid frizzy hair. If you don't allow it to dry, it will be frizzy. My returning viewers, I see you all. Guys, I appreciate you all for your support and your love. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. If you learned something, like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.